Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites and then act. Make sure Gboard is installed and you're signed into the Play Store with the right Google account. Once done, free at least 200 MB and connect to stable Wi-Fi so the download won't fail. Now open Play Store, search for Gboard, and tap Update if visible. You perform this because new emoji sets ship inside Gboard updates. Updating is the only reliable path to get Google's latest emoji designs. You should let the Play Store fully download and install the Gboard update. Avoid force-stopping Play Store or the installer while it runs. Once installed, open Gboard settings from the keyboard or app icon, go to Advanced and check options like Use System Emojis or Emoji Style. Toggle if present because some Android versions let Gboard prefer system emoji glyphs. Then test in a chat app. Open the emoji panel and long press keys to confirm the new glyphs appear, ensuring the update applied correctly. You finish by rebooting the phone to flush emoji font caches. Many systems need a restart to display new glyphs. If emojis still look old, go to Settings Right Arrow Apps Right Arrow Gboard and clear cache, then reopen. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall Gboard from Play Store. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure your Android system is up to date. Some emoji shapes come from the OS. If necessary, install the Google Emoji Font Pack via Play Store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.